Oh. Muna siya ang library dito sa Seoul na sikat siya kay taas kay. Pero tourist spot ragid ni siya kay basa kaning saan lang kakat-kakagdanan. Asa na akong mga amo, nangawagtang na sila. Silang message sa sakwa. Hello. Where are they? Who wants to go toilet? You want to go toilet? Okay, I'll teach her first. Come. You know, I go inside there. Then when I come out to this side. So where's that? Because I remember when I go in, the door is closed. You need to push it. But when I come out, the door is open. There's no door to push in or out. So I go to the wrong side, but it's okay lang. At least I know where is it now. Basically, you just go in and out. See? I'll wait for you here, huh? There. So you come out, when you go in, you turn left, okay? Hey, madam. Dili init dari Di siya tugnaw dari init ang sulod sa mall. Saan na show? Ano sila nagpahinga poster? Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Isa lang akong na-learn dyan. Ay, dapat magkabalo ka mag-Korean kay kung di ta kabalo, di gito kapangutan na. Bigatay. Basic na toilet, di ta kapangutan na. Where's the toilet? Yatay na ni. Uli na kayo kung agtang. Ako sa ina, abnormal kaayo mo. Ragid siya at matanggal ang ano. Oh, ang galing naman. Vending machine niya siya sa ice cream. Wow. Ay, wala siya sulod. Hindi. Ito, naka-cover lang siya. Is it real? Gaya ba sa kung mga alaga na kung saan mo? Hey, where's Sarah?
I don't know. Who is still inside?
But she knows. You wait for her lang. Hey, I saw a vending machine of ice cream. Look at here, this side. But I think it's not an ice cream, right? Is this popsicle? You think when you order popsicle, is this the one who will come out?
Yeah, okay.
But it looks like plastic, eh?
No, this one's not the real one.
Is it the real one?
No.
It's not the real one, right?
It's not.
That's why. So what is this? What's the purpose of this thing?
There's ice cream. To
To show.
display this ice cream.
Oh, that's why I'm confused. It doesn't look like real.